Next question है, if a particle's position is given by x is equal to 4 minus 12t plus 3t square, where t is in seconds and x is in meter, what is its velocity at t is equal to 1 second? Part A है इसका. B part है, is it moving in the positive or negative direction of x just then? And C is, what is its speed just then? And D is the speed increasing or decreasing just then? Try answering the next two questions without further calculation. C is there ever an instant when the velocity is zero? And if if so, give the time t. If not, answer no. If is there a time after t is equal to 3 seconds when the particle is moving in the negative direction of x? If so, give the time. If no, give the answer no. So this is the question we have.